Hello, my name is Samantha. I'm 45 years old and I was born in Reading in the United Kingdom. I currently live in the south of France in a little place called Grenoble, which I adore. It's a great place to live. I am a TEFL qualified teacher. I've experienced over 5 years now. I've worked in private language schools and now I have my own business teaching English privately, which I love. I have students from the age of 5 up to 55 years old, so age is not a problem. I can also teach at any level, so don't worry about being a complete beginner because I can be there for you to help you through this goal. I understand how difficult it is to learn a new language, as when I moved to France 11 years ago, I could not speak a word and it was very frightening to start off with, but I've learned that practice makes perfect, and now I'm able to communicate in French successfully with the help from classes that I've had and also friends that I have made. It's a big learning curve to learn a new language, especially at my age, but it's been a good experience, and the people that I teach English to have found fulfillment and they enjoy learning a new language. I guide them through everything, through problems, through difficulties, anything they have, I will help them through it. So if you'd like to learn English with me, just let me know. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.